Hello, and welcome to another exciting episode of Open Mic. We're here live at the IMTS International Manufacturing Technology Show. I'm joined by our CEO, Mark Murphy. And for all of our weekly followers, we're going to change it up a little bit today. And I'm going to be asking Mark a couple questions about all the fascinating, innovative technologies we're learning about here at IMTS and why so many of them are focused on the shop floor, automating, going digital, and not focusing on sales. Mark, if you could share anything with all of the attendees at this week's conference, why should they be thinking about digital transformation of their sales operations?
Well, you and I both have spent the whole past 2 days walking these hallways, visiting people's booths, seeing what type of technology is impacting Industry 4.0. So much of this is digital shop floor technology, whether it be additive manufacturing, robotics, digital printing, and as the shop floor evolves and the manufacturing evolves, we can't start that process in an analog environment, in pen and paper, in spreadsheets.
Absolutely.
It has to be fully connected. So what we want to do is push sales into that IoT and have them be part of this digital transformation.
It's a great conversation. And I know our teams had that conversation every day. There seems to be an entire group of an organization here, and there's that one person who knows, while everyone else is thinking about the shop floor, we need to be thinking sales.
Yeah. It's the front end of the revenues channel. So what we try to do is say sales to shop floor, or making a case in your organization for sales to be the starting point for Industry 4.0.
I love it. We'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions or any feedback, please reach out to atlatlsoftware.com, and we'll see you next week.
Monty, thanks for joining us today. We're here at IMTS. Excited to have you here in our booth. Monty, all this great manufacturing tech going on. How excited are you for what's going on in manufacturing technology and software right now?
Talking manufacturing. Technologies. Monty, let me ask you, how many and how exciting are all these different manufacturing technology vendors?
So we know you love all your customers and you love them giving reviews. Show us your favorite sign of appreciation when customers give great reviews.
There's like 10,000, 100,000. There's too many people. We can't even count. Monty, how great is it to see all these exciting manufacturing technologies, but most of them seem like they're for the engineer. Isn't it great that there's some sales technology here too? That's why at Atlatl Software, we love talking to manufacturers, especially those groups who want to talk about robotics and machinery, because we get to ask, what about your sales team?
Monty, thanks for joining us today on an edition of Open Mic. We'd love to continue this discussion with me and Monty. Please visit us at www.atlatlsoftware.com.
I hope you're getting all this. And we're live at IMTS.